Hey everybody, welcome back to Artland. So in today's video, I want to show you how to draw another Sonic character, and today I'm going to show you how to draw Super Sonic from the new Sonic the Hedgehog 2 movie. So if you guys are loving the Sonic movie and loving all the drawings, make sure to check out our Sonic playlist and you can find all sorts of fun videos to draw. But thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video today. Now to start off with Super Sonic, let's begin with the eyes. I'm going to begin right here by making a line that's going to come down. Then we're going to come up and down a little bit. Next, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come over. Then we're going to bring it up here. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down. We're going to go up for the other eye. We won't see much of this eye, so we'll just go down and then bring it in here. Next, right here, we're going to go and just draw a little line that's going to go down and then up. Same thing here, we're just going to go down and up. Right here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go over. It's going to come down and then back around for the nose. Next, we're going to bring this line down and over. And we'll bring this line down. Make a line that's going to go out. We're going to come down. We're going to bring it around and then up here. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to kind of go down and then it's going to come back up just a little bit. Right up here, let's make a line that's going to go up and down for the eyebrow. Same thing here, up and then down. We're going to bring this one over and down here. Right above the eye, let's make a triangle shape for one of the ears. And another one over here. We're going to go out and then in. We'll go up and down for a triangle and then go across. I'm going to bring this line up. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come back, and then we're going to come down. We'll make another line that's going to come out to a point and then down. Then we'll make one that comes out to a point here, and then we'll bring it back here towards the face. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that comes down for the neck, and a little line here. Next, we just want to go out and then down for the shoulder. And this one we're going to come out and then go down for the shoulder. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down. And with this arm, I'm just going to bring it down to right about here. We want to go over and come right back up. We'll make a little line that's going to curve in on each side. And then one more that's going to go around and then connect. Right here, let's make an oval shape for the thumb. Then we'll make another oval shape here. One here. One here. And then one more here for his finger. So it looks like he's got kind of like his fist all clenched up. With another line up here. Then starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. This line we're going to come down and then out a little bit. Then we'll go down and then we're going to bring it in. We'll make those curved lines on each side. with one more right here. We'll make a little oval shape right here for the thumb. And then this one we're going to do a little different. We're going to come down, and then we'll curve it around here, and we'll bring it up here. Then we'll make one curve, 2, and 3 more. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to bring it in. We'll curve it around, and then bring it back up. Same thing here, we're just going to kind of go down, bring it in, curve it around, and then bring it back up. We'll make 2 little curved lines, and then another one here. We'll do the same thing here, 2 curved lines, and 1 more underneath. We're going to make lines going to come down to a point, and then we're going to bring it up for a shoe. We'll do the same thing here, we're going to go down, and then bring it up. Starting here, let's make a line that comes across. We'll make a second one, and then we'll do the same thing over here. We'll make 2 lines that come down with like a little square shape at the top. Same thing here, and a little square shape here. Then starting here, we're going to make lines going to come over. We're going to go down and then up. Now, one of the last things I'm going to do is just add a little bit of lightning over here. So I'm just going to make some kind of pointed little lines that are just going to come down. And then we'll make some that come up and then go in. We'll make another little piece of lightning here, some little lines. We're going to make some more kind of zigzag lines here just to make more little bolts of lightning. And some more over here just to show all that kind of like electricity going through him. I'm going to make a couple more coming up here too. And there you go, there is your drawing of Supersonic. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.